What's good, YouTube? Esmowski here. I had the 1080 Ti for like 5 years now, and it's finally time for an upgrade. We got the MSI RTX 5070. We're gonna open it up, do unboxing, and speak about some controversial topics. As you guys may know, these cards been out of stock for essentially since they came out. It's so hard to get one. You gotta literally like wait in a queue line, or you gotta literally get a bot just to get a graphics card. Is crazy. So here we got the RTX 5070. This was $649 on Best Buy. Let's see what we got here with the MSI marketing on. We got the Storm Force fan, the nickel plated copper base plate, core pipes, metal back plate. Okay, that's interesting. If you guys overclock like I do, you know, this comes with afterburner. We're gonna be checking out the DLSS as well. A lot of talk been going on about that. MSI Gaming Trio OC Edition. 12 gigabytes of GDDR7 RAM. Now I'm coming from the 1080 Ti that had 11. This got 12. We're gonna see how much is the difference when it comes to the stuff I do. Some gaming, some video editing, Red Raw and such. Now this is a triple slot fan design card. We're gonna change the camera angle and I'm seeing you in a second. So for some unusual reason, there's actually not a lot of RTX 5070 unboxings on YouTube. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. They're sold out asking me, but nobody's revealing them. I like MSI. I don't know about the warranty, but I like MSI. I got an MSI case. They got some good design. Card right here. Coming from the 1080 Ti, this is quite a large card. Let's see what it comes with. The power adapter, of course, 2 8-pins to a 16-pin. You guys should be quite familiar with this if you got like the last generation cards. Go ahead and see here. Got some kind of holder. Yeah, like I thought initially, this is like a GPU support bracket. These cards are big asking B nowadays, so you could like kind of support your GPU in your case with this. This is, you know, this is gonna be interesting. I don't know. Let's see how I'm gonna set up my case. Let's go ahead and peel off this bad boy. Oh man. There we go. I like MSI, but honestly, when I purchased this, I didn't really have an option to get whatever I want. It's my only option. But I got an MSI case though, so it's gonna go very well. When it comes to cards, I usually always get MSI or Asus or Gigabyte. I got Gigabyte 1080 Ti. My computer right now, water cooled, but I'm gonna put this bad boy in. Okay, there's film right here as well. Take this bad boy off. Oh, let's go. Man, this car is pretty sick. Yeah. Oh, fingerprint magnet. Fingerprint magnet. You can already see it came right there. Oh, even though MSRP's been going crazy, I am excited to use this card since I'm coming from the 1080 Ti and see how it's gonna improve my workflow. And also, I'm gonna be checking out DLSS compared to the 4090 and see how that goes as well. You guys let me know what you think about the RTX 5070. Are you gonna be comping it, or is it a flop to you?